Hi, Hulu.
Hi, Success. How you doing today?
I'm doing absolutely good. Excited with Gmind AI. I'm so excited with the new features we have on Gmind AI. Democratizing AI and at the same time making AI a great productivity tool for everyone.
Gmind AI is phenomenal.
Absolutely. A great tool, I tell you.
Not letting AI to become buzzword to
Absolutely.
her.
Yes, a lot of people, when they hear about AI, they think it's for the techie people, you know, the nerd. But with Gmind AI, they're able to see that AI, it's actually for everyone because we have a lot of capabilities, a lot of features that make AI easy to use. Whether you are that prompt engineering wizard or you are just somebody that is just coming around AI, you know, Gmind AI gives everybody a room to exist, a room to leverage artificial intelligence to enhance their efficiency and effectiveness.